Hello everyone, we are students of King Mongkut University of Technology North Bangkok, studying digital image processing subject. This video is part of the digital image processing project. Prepare to explain the operation of the document scanner. We are inspired by the CAM scanner application. Let's get started. First, this code change the size from the normal size of the object to the size we want. Next, create a blank image for testing debugging if required. Next, convert image to grayscale, add Gaussian blur, and apply candy blur for blurring the image in order to capture the character on the image. Next, find out contours by using a square sharp, which will take the four corners of the paper or object to detect a square object. Next, copy image for display purpose. Next, draw the previously detected rectangle. Next, find the biggest contour as described above and then draw the biggest contour. Next, prepare 4 plot points into the warp function. And next, this code to make the image clearer. Next, apply adaptive threshold in this image array for display. Next, label for display. Next, this code is for press S key on the keyboard to save the image. And the last code, hold Q key on the keyboard to close the display windows.
Okay, let's see. This is a utils file for apply to the main file. This is the main file. That you can see the import utils. This file is utility in the main program. This you see the stack image function. It can stack the output, more output into the one display, such as you can see. Oh, sorry. You can see. Yes, it is the egg output in your this one display. And next, this is condition for set the row and column in stack image function, and the reorder function is find the new point, 4 new point in the function. And next is the biggest contour. The biggest contour is can than big contour. The biggest contour can detect the 4 point of corner on object, and it says in 3000 area, greater than 3000 area, and 4 point on the corner. You can see this 4 point on the corner, the biggest contour. And this door rectangle is key the line connect the 4 point in the biggest contour point. Let's see, for the line to the 4 point in the biggest contour. It's nothing is passed to not the function is not stack or the other function. And let's see, this function and create the window, the tab bar, and create tab bar for threshold 1 and threshold 1 and threshold 2. The range is 200 to 255. That's the same in threshold 2. And the last is create the tab bar position for threshold 1 and threshold 2 in tab bar. This the window tab bar position. Can adjust the threshold on this tab bar. As you see, the scan function, if you scan your document and adjust to write the value if you want, you can press the button S on your keyboard to save the picture on .jpg in the folder of your program. If example is I can like this, I want to press the S button. If you dare, S button. If you dare the picture to warp the position in the image of output in this. Okay, this is the output from the program document scan. Did you see this? Take the paper on the webcam camera and can access the threshold value in the tab bar. If you can see this output on the display is original image, gray image, in threshold, contour, biggest contour, warp perspective and gray, and the last adaptive threshold. If you can see, if you want to scan the document, you can adjust the threshold for the value if you want to. The picture is okay. That you can get the contour and biggest contour to detect the paper. And when you detect the paper, this program can warp the picture on the screen and can release the text on the paper in program and save that to the picture. Thank you very much.